Day number 9. 9! We're gonna do something fun today. What are we doing?
We are going to be decorating giant gingerbread man.
Yeah, they're pretty big. They're like maybe yeah, 2 of my hands worth. And do you have yours sketched out?
Yes.
See, I don't. I'm winging it. That's usually how I go about life. This one's prepared. So let's see. I don't know. What are you gonna use? Are you gonna use chocolate chips?
I'm gonna be using a few chocolate chips. I'm gonna be using sprinkles, a lot of those. Good. And then I'm gonna outline it with white frosting.
Oh.
Every gingerbread has to do that.
Actually, that's facts. Okay, let's get our supplies. That was so much fun, wasn't it?
Yes.
I really, really like yours. Okay, show the camera your gingerbread man, if you can.
If it doesn't fall.
Oh, the sprinkles come. It's so cute. I like your hair personally. I think I would have did different colors if I would have looked over at yours and copied yours, because I like how yours came out.
It's like you're copying a test.
Here's mine. You've got rainbow pants. So, I personally would have changed the hair on mine. I think my hair would have made it a little bit more crazy. What don't you like about yours?
I don't like that the white, whenever I try to follow the lines, it just made it straight, and it kind of annoys me.
Yeah, that white was really hard to squeeze. Like, some of the tips were smaller. But yeah, I mean, I like yours. Yours looks good. I like all your dots. I love my pants. The pants on mine are my favorite. What's the favorite on yours?
My favorite is probably the rainbow mouth.
Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. This was so much fun, guys. I found these at Mariano's. I don't know if you have a Mariano's near you. I think they were $5 a piece, but they're really big. So, I don't know. I think that they're worth it. You want to take a bite? Let's do it.
I'm gonna do the leg.
I think I'm gonna do the head out of the ugly hair. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Mmm. It's gingerbread. It's confirmed. All right, guys. Thanks so much, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Another bite. Bye.
I'm choking. Wow.
Mmm. It's a good cookie.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.